Hello kids, in today's English learning we are going to take up the next CVC words of sound of E, and today we will be having ending sound ed, so they will be called ed family words. Let's start to write the first word. The first sound we'll be writing is starting with B, B. Extend the flake and make E. Extend the flake and make D, D. The word is B-E-D, bed, bed. This is a bed. We sleep on bed. For writing the next word, let's start to make the sound F. Extend the flake and make E like this. Extend its flake and make D, D. F-E-D, fed. Here the child is fed by his mother. The man is fed up from miseries. In the next CVC word, the first sound is L. Extend the flake and make L like this. Make a slanting line and make L. Extend its flake and make E. Extend its flake and make D, D. Led. Here, the whole army troop is led by one man. For writing the next word, we have the first sound M. D. Med. Med. Med is used as short form for medical. Let's write the next word. It is the name of the color R. Extend the flake and make E. Extend the flake and make D, D. The word is R-E-D, red. Red is name of color. Hat is red. Tomatoes are red. Let's write the next sound T, T. And again the ending sound E-D. Ed. T, E-D, Ted. Ted. Ted is short form for Teddy. And the last word in this family will be starting with the W word sound. Its flick finishes over here. Extend its flick and make E like this. Extend its flick and make D, D. W-E-D, wed. This picture is of newlywed couple. Remember children, you are to repeat the words in the center line, starting from the center, and same words are to be written against each other. And write in symmetrical order. Learn the words with the help of sounds. Thank you.